Elbow planche, straddle, hands on floor. The straddle elbow planche is a fun hand balancing drill that teaches full body tension, hand balance, and body positions which are transferable to more advanced gymnastic skills. Elbow planches look cool and they are significantly easier than bent arm or straight arm planche variations. Start by placing the hands on the floor, inside shoulder width, and with the fingers pointing towards the toes. Spread the legs into a nice wide straddle stance with the quads contracted and the knees locked. Straighten the arms and lean forward into a high plank position. From here, bend the elbows back towards the hip bones and lean the shoulders forward. The aim is to place the elbows inside the hip bones so the upper arms create a shelf that the body can rest on top of. Rest the belly and the chest on the triceps. Continue to lean the shoulders forward until you start to find the balance point. Slowly lift the feet off the floor while keeping the quads contracted and the toes pointed. Aim to lift the chest up and contract the glutes to establish a straight line from shoulder to toe that is parallel to the floor. Remember to breathe as you use the fingers to balance the body weight on top of the hands. The elbow planche is a game of balance. If you fall on your face, the weight was too far forward. If you struggle to lift the feet off the floor, the shoulders are not forward enough. Play with the balance point. Hold for the specified period of time.